I'm Randy Claus and I make candy, and tonight I'm making eggnog truffles. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. It's Christmas Eve, and hopefully Santa's going to bring you some tasty treats, but as a backup, I'm going to show you how to take the flavor of that holiday favorite, eggnog, and put it into a truffle. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own eggnog truffles, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. And stick around after the recipe for a look at something special that was left on the doorstep of the Candy Kitchen a few days ago. For this recipe, you'll need 16 ounces of white chocolate divided, 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. If you want, you can add a little more nutmeg to use as a topping. You'll also need a mixer, a couple of bowls for melting the chocolate, a spoon or spatula, a cutting board lined with silpat, parchment, or waxed paper, and a couple of precision dipping utensils. Okay, let's make some candy. Combine the cream cheese, powdered sugar, and nutmeg. Melt 10 ounces of the white chocolate. This doesn't need to be tempered as it's not being used as a coating. Add the chocolate to the cream cheese mixture and beat until smooth. Refrigerate the mixture for about 2 hours. Roll the mixture into balls, then freeze them for about half an hour. Temper the remaining chocolate. Dip a ball into the chocolate. Let the excess drain. Place it on a lined cutting board, then immediately sprinkle it with some nutmeg. Repeat with the remaining truffle centers, then leave them on the counter to set. And that's it! Okay, let's give it a try. Slanchiva. Very nice. The crisp bite of the tempered chocolate and the creamy richness of the ganache. Very sweet, as you'd expect, but that nutmeg really brings it into eggnog territory. If you're looking for something a little different to garnish your holiday table, you really ought to try these. So this showed up on my doorstep the other day. At first I thought it was just your typical gingerbread house with Santa and Mrs. Claus out front. Then I noticed the RMC doormat and realized that this was really a gingerbread candy kitchen. And that's not Santa, it's me. See the resemblance? Unfortunately, there was nothing to indicate where this delightful creation originated, so I'm just going to take the opportunity here to thank my secret Santa. Words cannot describe how much I appreciate it. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. I'm Randy Claus, and stick around after the recipe for and the creamy richness of the ganache.